Hey y'all, it's At Home with Simply Tamanisha, and I've got a new chicken recipe for you. This is Chipotle fried chicken, and it's great for the table or the picnic, whatever makes you happy. Served with some spicy yams and green chili corn. Guys, this is so delicious. You'll want to add it to your recipe box and make it a hit all through the year, but especially when you're packing that picnic basket. Come on to the table, you guys. It's spice time. Grab your pen and paper so you can write down this recipe. You'll see it posted up on the screen. What I want to tell you about this recipe is that subtlety is the choice of flavor in this meal, because everything that we're putting in this meal is going to be full of robust flavor, and we don't want to overwhelm the food with any particular flavor, especially the chipotle. We want it to kind of glide on in and touch somebody's tummy in a very yummy way without being overpowering. Now, some of us like more or less spice, so as you go along, you can sample your spice, even your dry spice, and see what it tastes like to you and make a decision for yourself whether you want to add a little bit more or a little bit less. But go ahead, you guys, follow this recipe. Let me know if you cook it. Send me the pictures. I want to see it. Tell me in the comments below if you like this Chipotle fried chicken with spicy yams and corn. So easy to make, so easy to love, guys. It's simply delicious. If you like what you're seeing here, please share it, please comment and subscribe. It's free and it will help me grow my channel and bring you more content. I really appreciate you being here. See you at the end. You made it to the end of this video, and I really appreciate you staying here with me. If you made it here, put a chicken emoji down in the comment section for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free.